and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, you are warmly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update of my watercoloring and some of the things I've got. Now, before I delve into today's video, I'd like to say something. Yeah, I know it's been a long time since I posted a video. The videos are there, but work has been stressful, work has been hard. Juggling between work, family, and YouTube hasn't been easy, but I'm trying my best to give you the best content. So look out for more videos. Some are vlogs, and some will be on watercoloring and coloring in general. Now let's get straight into the video. I celebrated my birthday on May 3rd, and I got some of the amazing coloring books one could ever get. I actually had these in my Amazon cart. I plan on buying them, and for a long while they were just sitting there, and I got them as a birthday gift, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited. It was from one awesome person, and I'm also happy to receive them. So I want to show you the books. These are the 4 books I got. We have Wonderland Explorations. You can see that this has a lot of details in them. See, if it's Wonderland, it's Wonderland. There are so many things to color. Just look at this. Imagine the number of times it would take you to color these, and how beautiful it will look after coloring. So this is Wonderland Exploration. Then I got Zen Mandala's coloring book. So let's have a look at it. Honestly, I just saw the name. I was so happy. I haven't had time to go through them, and I'm happy to say that I'm going through with them with you. So just imagine having these mandalas to color. Just imagine the beautiful colors in the world, and having beautiful colored pencils, and be imaginative with it, and how beautiful this will come out. It's so therapeutic and calming and nice to have this to yourself, and it's more amazing to get this as a birthday gift. The third one is Lost Ocean. Who doesn't love the sea? Imagine how wonderful the sea is. Just be imaginative with the animals and the corals and the under the sea things. You could get wonderful concept out of this. It's just the best gift anyone could ever give to you. And the last one is time travel. Just look at that. I was so excited to get these 4 coloring books as a birthday present. You could just imagine how happy I am having these from that particular person. God bless her so much for giving me these books. I'm so excited. The next thing on my list is I got some acrylic colors. Yeah. I said I'm into watercoloring painting, and I'm not sure whether I'll go into acrylic. And being on Instagram often looking at artwork, I was like, why not? Let's see how acrylic also goes. But so far, I'm loving watercoloring. I love watercoloring so much. It's just so amazing. It's just so nice having to be creative with these brushes and these colors and mixing colors. It's so amazing. But before I talk about my watercoloring journey again, or give you an update on my watercoloring journey, let me show you the acrylic paint I got. I got these 6 acrylic colors. We have, I think this is red. Then we have, I believe, mint and orange. Then green, yellow, and violet. So I believe I can get more colors by mixing these up. I also got this canvas to help me practice my acrylic painting. So I'm so excited to try acrylic as well. Now, update on my watercoloring journey. The watercoloring journey has been amazing. It has been wonderful. It has been therapeutic. There are no adjectives I can use to describe how I feel about watercolor. I got these printouts. This is a token, so this is how it looks like, and I got the opportunity of being creative with this. So just side by side, look at how it turned out. You could see how I'm enjoying this watercoloring journey, and I'm yet to try these. We have these as well, the jaguar. I can't wait to color a jaguar and show you to you. And I plan on doing some drawings and coloring by myself. So I had this amazing project I had to do with some people, and I drew this fantastic art. This was hand drawn and colored with my color pencils. My color pencils are premium colored pencils, and the sheet I used was that of watercoloring sheet, so you could see how nice it came out. It was a gift. The person we gave the gift out to was so happy to receive that gift, and I'm so happy the person was happy. Yes, I'm so happy. So that's basically it. Just random video checking up on you and giving you updates on what I've been doing so far. It's my plan to draw with you in some of my videos, so if you're interested in learning how to draw with me in color and watercolor or acrylic painting, just put your response in the comment below and let's see how it goes. Thanks for listening, thanks for tuning in, and see you in my next video.